Lovers, so how did you like eating your Irish? Okay, so this is me cooking Irish potato, right? Yeah. So at this point, I'm making Irish potato. I'll be using beans. So in this pot, I've already fried my small tomato, my shambo, pepper and onion, garlic and ginger. Yes, I pan them together. No, as long as beans is concerned, I have to add ginger to give me that wonderful flavor that I need. So here is my beans. I don't know if I've tried this, but trust me, this is it's so good. Irish beans. So, so, so we're gonna cover it, allow it to cook. Okay. Then after that, we'll come back and check.